Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There is no guarantees of making money in the markets and it takes you a long time to become a good trader. So be smart about the way you're trading. Also, grab a free trial right now to do a brand new Master Trader Lab monthly. We're going to learn every single month. You'll be learning techniques to help you become a much better trader. Click on the first link in the description below right now. Hey traders, it's XRP time. Some people have asked me about what my thoughts are about XRP. What are things happening right now? Do I like XRP and so on and so forth? So that's the reason why I'm doing this video. Now, for me personally, I haven't done a lot of research, and I'm using air brackets around research, guys, because you know, when you're doing research on any company, or especially like these cryptos and stuff like that, you don't know whether the research is true. So be smart about, if you haven't seen the China Hustler or the China Hustle, I think that's what the movie is, then leave a comment below if you have actually seen that. But you'll notice that sometimes you'll see there is times where the research is just totally not right. So even in some of the big companies, right? Look at the Big Short. You know, the credit rating agencies will basically get paid off to keep the credit the ratings pretty high. Anyway, so one thing I want to look at here in this one here is what's happening with XRP. So on the short term, right, pretty much nothing going on the short term. We've got a bit of a sideways period through here, and we've got a bit of a drop down through here, haven't we? Nice big drop down through here, and then a bit of a rally, and we're getting a little bit of a drop down. But nothing too much. We're definitely on a downward trend at this moment, but nothing really too clear. If I go to my weekly charts, the weekly charts is going to give me a bit more of a definite sign of where we're at. And so there we go. So I can see where we're at right now, and this is good. This is going to give me some sort of a bit better what's the word for it? Oh, understanding where we are right now. So if I bring up my trend line tools, let me bring up, yep, so trend line. I'm going to draw a trend line from there, and I'm just going to extend this down. So as you can see, right, firstly, what I notice on the longer term Ripple, XRP, should I say, the longer term is that level through there, isn't it? Now so that's that level through there. As you can see, right, we had this resistance. Now the long term, which is really interesting, look at that. It actually broke above this resistance line, and now it's finding support, and it's just finding a lot of support here, isn't it? Now if I open up my chart a bit more as well too, and I'll squeeze this up a little bit more. One thing I also can see by looking at this is I can also see that we have a lot of support down through there as well too. Now you could almost call this, which is basically a double bottom in the market. Really interesting. So we're getting a lot of bullish signs through here. Now it definitely hasn't changed trend yet, right? When will it likely to change trend? Let me see if I can. When will it likely to change trend? Well, I think for me personally, for it to change trend, it would probably have to be a break above these highs up here, which would be, this is the in a double top scenario. We have a top, and then the middle is that neckline. So this is where the neckline is. So if we hold through here on Ripple and we start to break above 60 cents, I would say, and we have this level through here, then a break above 60 cents for me would be now what? A change in trend. I'm not gonna I'm not gonna get into Ripple now because it may not be a double bottom, and we may be continue to roll over. Makes sense, because we are still heading down. So right now it hasn't confirmed a change in trend. I'd rather miss out on this little bit here, and when it gets back above 60 cents, that's when we're now likely to start what? We're now likely to start another nice run to the upside. Now, I don't think Ripple's going to take off like it did in the past. So if you're thinking we're going to do that again very quickly on this weekly chart, it's probably not going to do that. We're probably going to do something like this, where we break out, we have a nice run up, and then we have a bit of a pullback, and we have a run up, and we have a pullback, and then we're likely to start doing that. Now, it may not even be that steep. You get what I'm saying, right? We're probably, it may want to run back up to new highs. It may not. That may happen in 3 months. That may happen in 2 years. Makes sense. So that's what I'm seeing there right now with Ripple. For you guys that are looking at Ripple with the cryptocurrencies there, as you can see, right, that let me go, boom, there we go. So as you can see, right, that double bottom there is definitely evident, and especially breaking above this trend line through here. There's a lot of support all through here, right? Look at all this, use that little bit of a cup there, so to speak, right? There's all that support level. This is the trend line support. This is a double bottom support. Again, guys, the trend hasn't changed. Do not jump the gun. If you're looking to get into some cryptos, wait for it to give you a bit more of a confirmation that we are starting to change trend. I personally I prefer to miss out on this one here and then have a high probability of this thing starting to turn around, then jump in here and then this thing head back down to 20 cents and it goes down to 10 cents or whatever. Now, some people say, well, that's not going to happen. You don't know, I don't know. So be smart and respect the market. As you know, the trading is not an easy thing, right? There's so many areas you need to know in order to become a really good trader. You've got the foundations, you've got the chart reading techniques, you've got the trading systems, and also you've got the mindset and so much more that goes into becoming what I call a master trader. So I've created a program called the Master Trader Lab Monthly, where every single month I'm going to be releasing brand new trainings and help you understand all of the foundations, the chart reading strategies, the mindset techniques, everything that goes into becoming a really good trader. And now I'm giving away a free trial right now for the grand opening, and also I'm giving you a kickstart bonus package as well. The foundation to a successful trader, the chart reading techniques and the advanced chart reading techniques, millionaire trader mindset, and a bonus package as well too. This is for the grand opening of the Master Trader Lab Monthly. Click on the very first link in the description below right now to claim your free trial right now.